Yeah, see, the prices have been in a downtrend, and on the daily charts, we have seen, in spite of such a bad news and events that we've heard about the auto numbers, if the prices are bouncing from its oversold zone, I sense, a lot of negatives are priced in, and since it is bouncing from its oversold levels, it's also forming a bullish engulfing pattern. As long as the important support of 340 for TVS Motors are held, I expect the stock to rebound from these levels, as the oscillators are showing some sort of early indication for a bounce from the current zone. Overall, the stock has been in a broader range of 340 to 400 on the upside. I believe if 340 levels holds for next couple of trading sessions, we could see a short-term bounce, and we maintain a bullish stance into this stock with the stop below 340 for an upside target of 400.
All right, that's TVS.
See, if you're looking at the charts, the prices are about to see a short-term retracement levels of 2050, which will be a very important support on the lower side. I sense, the prices would hold on to the support, as we've already seen a short-term trend reversal on the daily charts, and also indicates a very strong support clusters, which coincides with some averages. I believe, the risk-reward ratio for initiating long positions are very well placed. So one can have a stop loss at 2040, and on the upside can expect a rally towards 2180.
Okay, that's time. ACC is down 4%. It's at the day's low. What would you recommend traders could do here?
See, the prices have reached its important daily support levels and is currently also trading below its important short-term averages. The breakdown on the daily chart has accompanied by above average volumes, and there is also a significant amount of open interest in this, which is suggesting that there are fresh short built up. I suggest that on the upside, 1480 and 1490 would be the series of resistance where any short-term bounce would also, if there is any bounce, one can also look to add fresh shorts. On the lower side, we are expecting lower targets of 1420 to be achieved maybe by tomorrow, and once that is breached, we could expect another decline of 5%. So overall, the stock looks quite weak, and we maintain a bearish stance in ACC.
All right, 1457 for now for a big move seen over there. Manav, ICICI Bank, your view?
Yes, if you're seeing this, the stock has an important support around the levels of 390, which coincides with its recent lows from where the stock has witnessed a very sharp rally. I believe, one should start taking some contra bet into these stocks, for a reason that, the stock overall has been in a very good primary uptrend, and it's also nearing to its important daily support, which coincides with its 200-day average. I sense if 390 support level holds on, we could see a bounce back rally into the stock towards the levels of 420. One can have a stop at 385 on the lower side for ICICI Bank.